So, how many shop owners will exit their business at some point? That's right, every single one of them. Many reasons: retirement, business disputes, death, disability, divorce, bankruptcy, many reasons. And it's important to know, what your exit options are, consequently. So people always ask me, hey, Laura, the first question I always get asked is, what does the selling process look like? How involved is it? And I can never explain it well enough. I can never give the intensity that it is. It literally takes on a whole new life. And when I say this is an onion and this is the outside layer, this is truly the outside layer. Selling your business is extremely complex. It takes on a whole new life. You can't hardly run your business and try to sell it at the same time. That's a reality. But this is kind of how the process goes from an extremely high level. We start out by doing, and this is, I would recommend this, is to understand what the value of your business is. So start out with a valuation, then take it to market. You take it to market or you get offers. And then once you get offers, the offers will come in the form of what's called a letter of intent. A letter of intent is simply the framework of a deal. It's basically, think of it as the frame under the car. It basically is what supports the deal. It outlines basically what the sale price is, what the outcome or what the plan is with the real estate, if you own the real estate, any potential earnouts. It can cover employment opportunities, consulting opportunities, and always it's going to include a non-compete. What's interesting about a letter of intent, it's non-binding. Non-binding means that it doesn't hold water. It's basically toilet paper. It's just a piece of paper that outlines what your buyer is wanting to do. There's a few items in the letter of intent that are binding, but they're the things that basically where if it were signed, that you're not going to discuss the deal with other people, that you're not going to market the deal to other people.